Heyo boss, and welcome back to An Evening with Chef. Happy Valentine's Day from everyone here at the Cooking Corner. Chef has a appetizer that will knock your socks and other things off. This is a very simple appetizer, quick to make so you can get down to other things. These are dates stuffed with sausage and wrapped in bacon. Delicious, simple, so let's go ahead and get the lights down low, the music turned up, and let's get cooking. The first thing you're going to do is pick up some pitted dates, and with a small knife just make a little incision in the middle of the date. Don't go all the way through. Once it's set, just place it aside and move on. Chef's using a new camera today, so we want to apologize for any cinema errors in advance. Next up, go ahead and buy some sausage. Chef is using mild sausage, but if you want to use more of a spicy, go right ahead. He's just going to go ahead and take the sausage out of that casing. You don't need the casing, so you want to make sure you get it all out. You really know how to handle your sausage there, Chef. You seem like a pro. Chef said he did about 2 or 3, depending on how many dates you have. Next up, you can season these with a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic powder. However, feel free to use any other seasonings that you might enjoy. And don't forget all the ingredients we listed down below is check out our blog for full instructions. After the sausage has been seasoned to your liking, go ahead and just mix it up. Once you're done playing with your sausage, we're going to go ahead and get the kitchen set. So you have our dates, our bacon, which is cut in half, and then our sausage and toothpicks. The first thing you're going to do is take a date and... Oh, that's right. Good call, Chef. No glove, no love. Before you stick your sausage in a date you don't know, make sure you put some protection on. So go ahead and take a little bit of sausage and you're going to put it right in that date. Nice and slow, no need to rush. Take your time. If there's too much, excess can be put back. And then wrap the bacon strip right around, preferably on camera, Chef. We want to see what's going on. And then put a toothpick straight through. There you go. Simple as that. Even Chef can't mess this up. Go ahead and place these on some tin foil. Put these in the oven. Chef has it around between 4 and 450 for about 20 to 30 minutes. That's right. Ooh, the gloves are off. Chef's getting dirty. And after several minutes, about 20 or 30, they have a nice golden brown color to them. Nice crispy. Plate these up and serve away. We hope you enjoyed this video, and everyone have a great, wonderful, fun and safe Valentine's Day. Check out our other videos as well as our blog. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what we're doing, or subscribe if you don't like what we're doing. Thanks again, everyone, and have a great day. I think it's my cue to get out of here, as the lights are turning down low and everyone's got somewhere to be. I'd rather not be stuck here much longer. Thanks, everybody. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it. And that's my